Today I'm going to my family cottage to help clean up the rest of the trees from the ice storm. We had a really bad ice storm here in Ontario, and there's a whole bunch of trees at the cottage on the ground, and we've been spending the last month every weekend basically cleaning it up. And today I'm going there again, and we're going to finish cleaning everything up, show the yard before and after pictures as well, because there's a lot of trees. There was a lot of mess. It's very sad. A lot of trees actually died because they got shocked. They were coming into bloom and then they froze from the ice storm, and so there's a lot of them that are actually dead. Some of them actually fell over on the property, and so we've just been cleaning it up. See, this is what it was. No wonder we have no service. No wonder we have no... It's crazy. That's gonna fall soon. That's scary as hell. All these trees on this line here. Mm-hmm. Our street's gonna be like one of the last. It really is. It really is. This Holy crap! Look at all these lines. No wonder we have no service. Oh my God! Look at all these lines. That power line is gonna fall.
This one here snapped already. This one snapped. See
that line? Look at that line.
Broken. Yeah. Look at it. Snapped.
We have no service. They just cut off service for this area until they fix it. No data.